US President Donald Trump on Sunday claimed that a regime change has already taken place in Iran, citing significant losses within the country's leadership during the ongoing conflict in the region. Speaking aboard Air Force One, Trump said the situation in Tehran reflects a shift in power structures. He expressed confidence that a deal with Iran remains possible, though not guaranteed, while asserting that the current leadership differs substantially from previous regimes. Trump referred to the decimation of Iran's leadership, including Mojtaba Khamenei, the current supreme leader and son of former leader Ali Khamenei. Trump said successive layers of Iran's leadership had been severely weakened. The one regime was decimated, destroyed. They're all dead. The next regime is mostly dead, he said, adding that the current leadership represents a whole different group of people. His remarks come amid intensified US-Israeli military operations targeting senior Iranian officials and key infrastructure. The joint strikes, which began on February 28, reportedly killed longtime Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei. His son, Mojtaba Khamenei, was later appointed as the new Supreme Leader by Iran's Assembly of Experts. Several high-ranking Iranian officials, including military commanders and intelligence figures, have also been killed during the conflict, underscoring the scale of leadership losses in Tehran. Trump described the current leadership as more reasonable and reiterated optimism about reaching a potential agreement. He maintained that the ongoing shift in leadership effectively amounts to regime change, even if not formally declared. "You can't do much better than that. The third group of people seem to be much more reasonable," he said, suggesting that diplomatic progress could follow despite continued hostilities. The US president emphasized that while regime change is not necessarily a stated objective, the developments on the ground indicate a transformation in Iran's leadership landscape as the conflict continues.